Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into FreshBooks affiliate program for small business leads, detailed guide step by step clearly. To log into the FreshBooks affiliate program, first, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the FreshBooks affiliate program. Press enter to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, look for the sign in option, usually located at the top right corner. Click on the sign in button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, type in your password in the password field. Make sure to check your entries for accuracy. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for recovery options. Once you've entered your login credentials, click the Sign In button to proceed. After a few moments, you should be logged into your affiliate dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. From here, you can access various resources and tools to generate small business leads. Explore the options available to optimize your affiliate marketing efforts. If you encounter any issues while logging in, check your internet connection. Clearing your browser's cache and cookies may also resolve login problems. If all else fails, consider reaching out to FreshBooks support for assistance. That's it. You are now logged into the FreshBooks affiliate program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.